Welcome back, everybody. So, hopefully, everybody had a good day, was able to make use of this kind of slow trend up. I know some people had a little bit of trouble recognizing some plays here, but I'll show you what I did today. I'm going to start with futures here. So, this candle here was the PPI report this morning, and I didn't hit it. I was setting up my play to take it long and or short. So I was looking for either way. So this was the zone I had set up for it. And, the candle was right here at the time the report hit. So I was about 10 seconds too late from having a bot fill for here to the downside and from here to the upside. I just didn't get them off in time. And I was going to set both with a, basically it's just a trailing stop, hit on a limit order and go with a tight trailing stop. Same thing for up here. I was literally like 10 seconds too late. So let that pass and watched my zone here. I took one scalp from here. Ooh, that was ugly, wasn't it? Let's not do that anymore. So I took a scalp down there in that zone on the 20 EMA. When I watch, what the heck's going on? Stop it. When I watch these on the 2-minute charts, which TradingView doesn't give me 2-minute for some reason, maybe because I have to pay them for it. I also have the 50 SMA up, and it's amazing how many times the 2-minute will bounce off the 50 SMA, and that's what it did here. The 50 rolled up and was a nice, beautiful support off of this spot. So anyway, I scalped this little move from here up to here. Just the way I moved my profit stop up, I got filled at the bottom of that candle and pulled my level over further. Like I said, the 50 was rolling up through here, and this just kissed it. It was beautiful. So I took another stab at it at the 50, bottom of here, well, actually the top of here being my cut. I put a real tight stop on it, and I rode it up to, I think I got knocked out on this candle here. Stop it. Again, I was a little bit less impatient with my profit stop. I should have just done my normal pattern, and if I would have let my normal pattern play out, I would have gotten stopped out on this candle. But anyway, so took a profit there. And the last one I really played was at the end of the day. I took this double top. Once we hit the last 30 minutes of the day, and it's been a trend day, I'm a lot more confident in my selection for going on a reversal play from how it's been trending. So this one's been trending up all day, and last 30 minutes I felt pretty good we'd get a little bit of a pullback, and we did. So came in, put in a top, pulled back, and I waited for that double tap. I wanted to have a good solid entry with a tight stop loss if it worked against me. It's better to miss the trade instead of taking a crappy one. So I entered it on the top of this wick, and my stop was 75 cents on the tick above. So the high over here. So I gave myself a little bit of wiggle room, but not a ton. And I took profits down here. So another good move at the end of the day. I mean, I remember this one trade here being $25 per contract. So, real quick play, 25 bucks each. So there are my 3 future trades. I was really hoping to catch the big move off news, but we'll just get them next time on that. And once I got stopped out here, we went over to futures. So 3 trades, not futures, sorry, 3 trades on options. We'll start with IWM here. So, you know, this is just the day, you know, pretty crummy action, really. So we got open, we got this first flag. I didn't hit it. I was still messing with futures. And then we got this just beautiful sideways boringness that nobody loves, like a redheaded stepchild. We trended sideways, but you know, we had a common theme: 20 support, which is the gold line, 20 EMA support, 20 EMA support. So took a stab on a little pullback. You could even call it a flag if you wanted to. So I took it as we bounced off the 20 EMA. I got filled right in this area, and this was my risk. Bottom of the previous candle. If it got lower than that, cut it right away. And I took profit up here. I took it early, but you know, that's okay, because it was still a decent little move and extremely slow. It kind of bored me. The same type setup here on Apple. So again, I didn't take that flag this morning because I was in option or futures. This just went sideways, and we finally got a little bit of a breakout. Broke out above this line here, flagged back in, grabbed a couple calls, and I exited 22 minutes later right here. So, you know, I'll take that and call it good. Missed a whole lot. This one here ran for, I think 140% had I just let it go. Instead of taking, I don't remember, 30 something or 28. Actually, I did take this one. So I screwed up my order and I took puts instead of calls. So I had to exit really quick, and I still exited actually for a tiny bit of profit, which was kind of funny, but these ones ran 320% by the end of the day. So the ones I really wanted were the ones that ran the most, and they're of course the ones I screwed up on. And then my last option trade of the day was here on Meta. I was playing this pullback midday. Show you what I was looking at in real time. So it looked like this. Come up, and we're just doing that sideways trend. And compared to everything else, you know, everything was, even though we're doing that sideways stuff, everything else was still kind of pushing up slowly. Whereas Meta had pulled down and was starting to look like it was rolling again. So I took a stab here and I grabbed some puts right at the blue 9 EMA line and ended up selling on this candle here about 20 minutes later. Took those profits. I think it was a 17% profit. And at first it looked like I was going to miss the bigger move because this candle opened and went red even more. So I was like, oh, well, you know, I just missed more. But no, it kind of reversed and, you know, saved me from it. So don't be afraid to take your profits when they're there. But don't be afraid to also let it work if you think it's still got its potential. Anyway, those are my trades for the day. If you guys got any questions, let me know. But otherwise, thanks.